My super creamy and cheesy protein mac and cheese comes together in no time at all. Start by cooking your elbow macaroni, and while it's cooking, combine cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, almond milk, spices, and then some cornstarch. Top it all up with some grated cheddar cheese. Then with a stick blender, you're going to want to blend everything together until very smooth. Transfer the cheese sauce to a Dutch oven or large pot and bring the sauce to a simmer over medium heat. As it cooks, keep stirring and the sauce will thicken up. Strain the macaroni and bring it back to the Dutch oven. Stir the macaroni in the sauce and then keep stirring and cooking the sauce until desired consistency. Bring off the heat and stir in some freshly chopped dill, and you're ready to serve this delicious protein macaroni and cheese with some toasted panko crumbs and more fresh dill. Make sure to click the like button and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.